GMP Best Practices, Good Manufacturing Practices, GMP, and their role in food safety. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Food Safety Leadership. I'm Felicia, your food safety consultant. Today, we're delving into good manufacturing practices, or GMP, and their crucial role in ensuring food safety. GMP is not just a set of guidelines, it's the bedrock on which we build a safe food production environment. Let's begin by understanding what GMP is and why it's essential. GMP is based on key principles, such as cleanliness, orderliness, and proper documentation. GMP plays a vital role in ensuring food safety, as it sets the stage for everything that follows. GMP implementation. Now, let's explore how to implement GMP effectively in your food production facility. The first step is training your team. They must understand the importance of GMP and their role in it. Maintaining a clean and sanitary environment is non-negotiable. Let's discuss how to achieve this. Personal hygiene is another critical aspect. Your employees' practices can directly impact food safety. Proper storage and handling of ingredients and products are essential to prevent contamination. Regular equipment maintenance is key to avoiding breakdowns that can compromise food safety. Implement robust quality control processes to catch any issues before they reach the consumer. Documenting your GMP procedures and keeping records is essential for accountability and compliance. The benefits of GMP. Now that we've explored GMP implementation, let's talk about the benefits it brings. Customer confidence. GMP instills confidence in your customers. They trust that your products are safe. Legal compliance. Staying compliant with GMP regulations helps you avoid legal issues and costly fines. Brand reputation. A strong GMP foundation enhances your brand's reputation for safety and quality. Cost savings. Preventing contamination through GMP practices can save you from costly recalls and losses. In summary, GMP is the power behind food safety. It's not just a guideline, it's a commitment to quality and safety. Before we wrap up, let's go over your GMP checklist. GMP checklist. Train your team in GMP principles. Maintain a clean and sanitary environment. Ensure proper personal hygiene. Implement secure ingredient and product storage. Regularly maintain equipment. Implement quality control processes. Document your GMP procedures and keep records. Conduct regular GMP audits. That brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you've gained valuable insights into the critical role that good manufacturing practices play in food safety. Remember, GMP isn't just a standard, it's a commitment to safe and high-quality food production. If you have any questions or need assistance with your food safety journey, feel free to reach out to us. Follow us on YouTube and Instagram to get more food safety tips like this.